We are all familiar with our left brain and right brain, but there are more terms we can use in order to explain how they work. The left brain is also known as the conscious mind, the divine masculine energy. The right brain is also known as the subconscious mind, the divine feminine energy. And if you want to be in alignment, they need to work together, but they both have different functions. And when you tap into both functions, you can create magic. The function of the divine masculine energy, the left brain, the genius, is to find the puzzle pieces. Aha! I found another piece. And she can improve upon each puzzle piece, make it better. But then, once she has improved upon the piece, she must surrender the puzzle piece to the divine feminine energy. The divine feminine energy is directly connected to the universe. So the divine feminine, her superpower is to take each and every piece that she received from the conscious mind and make it into a whole. A mysterious process that the conscious mind will never know how she is able to do that. But the key here is that the conscious mind has to surrender to the subconscious and allow for this process to happen. When they work together in this phenomenal way, they can manifest whatever they want.